my dear students. Today our topic is ARM processor. ARM processor means Advanced RISC Machine Processor. Okay. ARM processor. ARM processor means Advanced RISC Machines. Nothing but in these instructions are of two types. First one is RISC, another one is CISC. RISC means reduced instruction set. CISC means complex instruction set. Whereas it does not support array. It is used to support array. In reduced instruction set, we can simplify the programs in little bit, nothing but small programs we can execute. In this, we are having limited registers. Whereas CISC means complex, it has number of instructions, nothing but 100 of instructions. We can increase the clock speed of the execution. Then CISC is more important than that of RISC. Okay. ARM are of two types mainly, ARM 7 TDMIS. What is meant by ARM 7? Nothing but ARM 7, it is a version. T means thumb, D means debug, M means multiplier, I means nothing but it is related with embedded, nothing but ICE emulator. Another one is S, nothing but synthesize. ARM is used to support three-stage pipeline process. What is meant three-stage pipelining process? Particularly, we are taking three instructions: addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. In cycle 1, cycle 2, another one is cycle 3. Three-stage pipelining process means whereas instruction may be executed by using three commands. First one is fetch, next one is decode, another one is execute. Fetch means instruction has been taken to perform a fetch operation. Another one is decode. What is meant by decode? Decode means it is used to combine thumb as well as arm. Both codes are being combined over here. Another one is execute. Execute means it can be, we are using a registers, nothing but the register is used to perform first read operation. Another one is it is used to perform ALU. Another one is it is used to perform shift. Last one, the register can be write. These combinations are executed in execute instruction. Whereas for any instruction is used to execute in first cycle. What the ARM processor has to do? First, it is used to fetch addition. While performing decode, the addition is to be decoded and subtraction is to be fetched. While performing third cycle, the addition is executed and subtraction is decoded, multiplication is fetched. This is the advantage of three-stage pipelining. Basically, we are taking three instructions: addition, subtraction, multiplication. In first stage, it is used to fetch the addition. While performing decode operation, the subtraction is to be decoded. The subtraction is to be fetched. While performing third decode operation, addition will be executed, subtraction will be decoded, multiplication will be fetched. Okay. It was designed by first Acron company in the year 1983 to 1985 by Cambridge or England. Okay. Entire it is used to support 32-bit, then it is known as 32-bit microprocessor. 32-bit microprocessor means whereas data bus is 30 bit, it is used to hold instruction as well as data. In 32 data bus, it is used to hold instruction and data. Okay. ARM is mainly supports RISC machines, reduced instruction set. It has 32 instruction set. It has two type of buses, nothing but ASB, another one is APB. ASB means ARM system bus, APB means ARM peripheral bus. ARM system bus, another one is ARM peripheral bus. In order to design architecture, what we are required is, first one is one booth multiplier, another one is 32-bit ALU, another one is control unit, another one is program status register, another one is one parallel shifter. By taking this combination get together, we can design architecture of ARM processor. ARM is used to support registers. Already know what is meant by register. It is used to store data temporarily during execution. It is used to store data temporarily execution. We are having 37 registers. Out of 37, we are using only 15 registers. From R0 to R12. R0 to R12. Each register is 32-bit. R0 is 32-bit. Similarly, R1 are up to R12. Ante video ARM mainly depends upon instruction set. What is meant by instruction set means, in 8086 we are simply calculating nothing but A and B, ADD A comma B. We are adding only 2 bits. In 80 nothing but ARM7 TDMA, we can multiply 3 bits at a time. Nothing but ADD R3 comma R2 comma R1. The result is stored in R3. Example, in this instruction R1 and R2 both 32 bits are added, and the result are stored in R3. Same another instruction SUB R0 comma R1 comma R2. In this instruction, R1 are subtracted with R2 and the result are stored in R0. In this we are having swap instruction, nothing but SWP. SWP means it is used to add 32-bit values, nothing but word operation. Another one is SWPB, nothing but it is used to swap only byte values. Another one is we are having a multiple registers, nothing but status registers. Status registers we are having two types. Single status register, STR, nothing but single status register. It is used to transfer data from R0 to R1. Another one is multiple registers, nothing but LDMIR. We can transfer multiple registers from R0 to R1 or R1 to R3. R0, R1, R2. Okay. In this we are using logical instructions. Logical instructions also 32-bit. It can perform 32-bit operation by using 3 commands. First one is AND, another one is OR, another one is XOR. We are having only 2 types. First one is B means branch, its name. It simply indicates label, nothing but it's having an address like this 2003. Another one is BL, nothing but branch link. Nothing but it is used to follow with the branch as well as address. Okay. Instruction set are being classified into 3 types. ARM 16-bit. Another one is Thumb 16-bit. Another one is 8-bit Java code. These are 3 are required to execute an instruction set in an ARM processor. For example, in an 16-bit memory segment, we are performing an operation. While performing an operation, 65% of thumb instruction are required to perform efficiency of 160%. Okay. Again, in this also we are having flags. The flags are classified into three types. First one is conditional. Conditional means we are having three flags: negative, carry, overflow, zero. Zero means by performing ALU operations, if the result is zero, then zero flag will be set, otherwise it will be reset. V means overflow flag. C means carry flag, where N means negative flag. Negative flag. In this we are having four modes: M102, M2, M3. Again we are having a T bit. T means thumb instruction. If T is equal to 1, thumb state will be executed. If T is equal to 0, only ARM state will be executed. Nothing but ARM operations will be executed. Another one is FIQ or IRQ. FIQ means nothing but is a fast interrupt request. IRQ means it is a general interrupt. Okay. Earlier we discussed about ARM 7, another one is ARM 9. These are two versions. It is used to support a frequency up to 50 MHz. It is used to support operating frequency up to 180 MHz. Both are supported by 8x32 multipliers. ARM architecture, we are having a priority encoder. Nothing but it is used to multiply the values of both register and memory. Another one is we are having a status registers. Status registers are being classified into two types: CPSR, SPSR. Nothing but CPSR means current program status register, where SPSR means status program status register. It is mainly act as a key component in embedded systems. Okay, ARM processor is used to support a toolkit. Nothing but toolkit means we are having hardware modeling. Another one is software tools. Nothing but it is used to support C, C++. Another one is emulator.